as you all are aware that the scripting part for the sprite has been done. We were able to move the sprite that is jumping upwards and downwards. Now, in order to make the sprite jump, we have to put certain obstacle in between. So as you are able to see the code will be as you are able to see in the presentation. So I require to select an obstacle. So what is the obstacle that I'm selecting over here? Moving to the scratch part. Now, in order to select the sprite, we have to go in the option called as choose a sprite, where it is the cat face that you are able to see on the extreme bottom of the screen. But this will be the second last option. That is, the last option is for choosing the backdrop. The second last option is for choosing a sprite. Now, it will take few seconds in order to load that particular part. Yes. So if you are able to see all over here, I will be selecting a egg. We have selected, yes, I will be selecting an egg. As you are able to see, it will be selected and it will be coming on the stage. Yes, over here. It is displayed over here, but as you are able to see, the size of the egg is very large. So from here, the first step is that I will be making the size as 50 is too small. I will be making it 80. Yes, it is perfect now. I'll be making the size as 80. And what I require first, I require that if it is over here, I require that the edge should start from the extreme corner of the screen. So I'm making use of a block called as motions. And the first block that I will be making use of is go to x and y. So what is the x and y coordinate over here? The x and y coordinate, as you are able to see, the x coordinate is 223. Over here also it is 223. The y coordinate is minus 134. The y coordinate is minus 121 40. Oh, sorry, 134. Done. So the egg will be coming from the extreme corner of the screen. Now, what I require that the egg should move. The egg should move where? So I'm making use of an instruction called as glide. I'm making use of an instruction called as glide. So what will happen over here? Now, in order to move, what I require to move the egg to the extreme corner. So what is the extreme corner over here? You are able to say the extreme corner is minus 217. If you want, you can put the egg on the extreme corner. So it is minus 229. So it is minus 229. From where I'm getting minus 229? From the x coordinate, and the y coordinate is minus 135. Now see what will happen. Now I require this instruction to be executed again and again. So I'm putting this entire thing in a block called as forever. That means again and again the eggs will be coming. And in order to start the game, I require to click on whenever start. So you are able to see again and again the eggs are coming. But the motion of the egg is very fast. If I want the motion to be slow, I'm giving the glide as 3. So I'm from changing it 1 and making it 3. Now, yes, the obstacle is coming, and I require to click on the space bar so that the check will move up or down. So yes, this is the part of the game. Now the next coding will be shown in the next slide. So I hope this particular part was very clear to all of you.